Excuse me, which bus goes to the park?
Yes. How can I help you?
I need to get to Central Park. Which bus should I take from here?
Let me think. From this stop, you can take bus number 15.
Bus 15. Okay. Does it go straight to the park?
Yes, it's the most direct one. It takes about 15 minutes.
That sounds good. Are there any other buses?
You could also take bus 23, but that one is slower.
I'll wait for number 15 then. How often does it come?
About every 10 minutes.
Great. And how much is the fare?
It's $2.50. 50 cents for one ride.
Do I need exact change?
No, it's okay. You can also tap your card when you get on.
That's very convenient. Where should I get off for the park?
Get off at the stop called Park Gate. The main entrance is right there.
Park Gate. I'll remember that.
The driver usually says the name of the stop, too.
That makes it easier. Look, here comes bus 15 now.
Perfect timing.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time at the park.
I will. Thanks again.
Good morning.
Morning. Welcome to Sunny Bread Bakery.
It smells amazing in here.
Thank you. We baked everything fresh this morning.
I'm on my way to work. I'd like to buy some breakfast.
Sure, we have croissants, muffins, fresh bread, and sandwiches.
Those croissants look so good.
We also have chocolate croissants if you like sweet things.
Oh no, you're making this hard. Everything looks great.
Take your time. Are you more hungry or just a little hungry?
I'm pretty hungry. I skipped dinner last night.
In that case, maybe a sandwich and a croissant. Good mix of real food and a treat.
That actually sounds perfect. What kind of sandwiches do you have?
We have egg and cheese, turkey and cheese, and veggie, all on fresh bread.
I'll take one egg and cheese sandwich, please, and one plain croissant.
Got it. Would you like a drink with that? Coffee or tea?
Yes, a small coffee, please. Just a little milk, no sugar.
No problem. So that's one egg and cheese sandwich, one croissant, and a small coffee.
Yes, that's right. Can I also take a loaf of bread for later?
Sure. White, whole wheat, or multigrain. The multigrain is very popular.
I'll try the multigrain, please. Is it good for toast?
It's perfect for toast. Crispy outside, soft inside.
Sounds great. How much is everything?
Let me see. Sandwich, croissant, coffee, and bread. That's $13.50.
Here you go. I'll pay by card.
You can tap right here, please. Done. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll put the sandwich and croissant in a bag. Can you put the coffee lid on tight? I always spill it on the bus.
Of course. I'll make it extra safe. Here you go.
This looks perfect. You just saved my morning.
Happy to help. Have a good day at work, Emma.
Thanks. You too. See you tomorrow morning, probably.
I'll be here with fresh bread. Excuse me.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
I really like this shirt, but I'm not sure about the size.
No problem at all. What size do you usually wear?
In my country, I wear a medium, but sizes are different here, I think.
Yes, they can be a little different. This one in your hand is a medium. It looks good, but I'm not sure if it's too tight. That's why we have fitting rooms. You can try the medium and a large to compare.
That sounds good. Medium and large, please.
Sure. I'll grab a large for you right now. The fitting rooms are just over there on the left.
Thank you. Can I take both shirts inside?
Yes, of course. Take your time.
Okay, I'll try the medium first. How does it feel?
The medium looks nice, but it feels tight on my shoulders. Okay, try the large. It might be more comfortable. 1 second.
Okay, the large is on now. It feels better, but maybe a bit loose.
Step out for a second so I can see.
Really? Okay.
It actually looks great. Not too big at all. You can move your arms easily and it still looks smart.
Good. I don't want to look like I'm wearing a tent.
Don't worry, you don't. It suits you.
Yeah, I like this one. Is it okay for the office?
Yes, it's perfect for the office. Clean, simple, professional. And if it ever feels too big, you can still wear a t-shirt under it.
That's a good idea. Okay, I'll take the large.
Great choice. Do you want to know the return policy?
Yes, please, just in case.
You can return or exchange it within 30 days with a receipt.
Perfect. That makes me feel better. I'll meet you at the counter when you're ready.
You were really helpful.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your new shirt.
I will. Now I feel ready for the office at the petrol station.
Hi there. Is this pump free?
Yes, it is. You can pull up to pump 4.
Thanks. I'm renting this car. I'm not used to it.
No problem at all. Do you know which fuel you need?
I think it's petrol, not diesel, right?
Let me check the tank cover for you.
That would be great. Thank you.
It says unleaded petrol only, so you need regular petrol.
Okay, regular petrol. Can you fill it up, please?
Sure. Do you want a full tank or just a set amount?
Half a tank is fine. Maybe about $30.
Got it. I'll stop at $30.
Do I pay now or after you finish?
You pay inside of a counter after I fill your car.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, I'm starting the pump now.
Do you also have air for the tires?
Yes, the air machine is just over there next to pump 6.
Perfect. I might use it later.
Okay. Your car has $30 of petrol now.
Great. About how many miles will that give me?
Roughly 150 to 200 miles, depending on how you drive.
I'll try to drive gently then.
That always helps.
I appreciate your help. I was a bit confused.
You're welcome. Don't worry. Everyone asks the first time.
I'll go inside to pay now.
Sure. Just tell them pump for $30.
Got it. Have a nice day.
You too. Drive safe at the checkpoint.
Good afternoon, sir. Please pull over to the side.
Oh, okay. Is everything all right, officer?
I'm Officer Davis. This is a safety checkpoint. May I see your driver's license, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you, Ben. Do you know why I stopped you?
No, I'm not sure. Was I speeding?
No, your speed was fine, but your back brake light is not working.
Really? I didn't know that.
When you press the brake, only one light comes on. Also, your front tire looks very worn.
Oh, I see. Is it dangerous?
Yes, it can be. In the rain, this tire could slip very easily.
I've been meaning to change it. I just forgot.
I'd understand, but you shouldn't wait. For your safety, you need to fix both problems soon.
I'm sorry, officer. I didn't want to put anyone in danger.
I believe you. Today, I will give you a warning, not a ticket.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Please go to a garage today or tomorrow. Change the tire and repair the brake light.
I will. I'll go right after work.
Good. When your car is safe, you are safer too.
You're right. Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome, Ben. You can go now. Drive carefully.
I will. Have a good day, officer.
Good morning. Where to today?
Hi. To 45 King Street, please. I have a job interview there.
A job interview, huh? Nice. What kind of job?
It's an office job in marketing.
Marketing. Cool. You know, in 2026, everything is online. Ads, AI, robots.
Yeah, things are changing fast.
My brother works with new apps. He says taxis will drive themselves soon.
Really? That's interesting.
Yeah, maybe in 5 years, no drivers at all. Just computers.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, sure. What's up?
I'm a little late and very nervous about this interview. Could we please focus on the road and go as fast as is safe?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to stress you. Don't worry. I'll take the quickest, safe route.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. And I need a few minutes to look at my notes, if that's okay.
Of course. No problem at all. I'll stay quiet for a bit so you can prepare.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
If you need anything, just tell me.
Okay. Deep breath. You can do this.
We're almost there. About 5 more minutes.
Great. I feel a little better now.
You'll do fine. Just be yourself.
Thank you. And thanks for understanding before.
Anytime. Good luck with your interview, Emma.
Helpful. Thanks. I hope I get the job.
Hello, my friend. Do you see something you like?
Hi. Yes, the small lamp is beautiful.
It's hand-painted, very special, from my village.
Wow, the colors are amazing. How much is it?
Price is $60. Very good price.
$60. That's a bit expensive for me.
It's a rare design. Many people want this lamp.
I understand, but I'm on a small budget today. Can you go a little lower on the price?
How much can you pay?
Maybe $40?
No, $40 is too low. I cannot do that.
Okay, I see. What is your best price?
My best price is $50, no less.
$50 is still a little high for me. If I buy 2 lamps, can you give me a discount?
2. Which other one do you like? Marco, this blue one and the red one here.
Normal price is $120 for both. If I buy both, can you do 80? $80 is too low for 2 handmade lamps. If you take both now, I can do $90. Final price.
$90. Okay, that's a fair price. Deal. I'll take both for $90.
Thank you. You are a good customer, and you are a good businesswoman.
Thank you for the discount.
You're welcome. Enjoy your lamps and remember our market.
I will. Have a great day, Laya.
You too, my friend. Safe travels.
Next, please.
Hi, excuse me. I think I lost my watch here.
Okay, don't worry. When were you here?
About 10 minutes ago, I went through security for gate B12.
I see. What did you lose exactly?
A watch. A silver watch. I put it in the tray and I forgot it.
Got it. We find lost items all the time. Can you describe the watch for me?
Yes, it's round, silver with a black face.
The strap is metal, not leather.
Yes, it's metal, not leather.
Any brand name on it?
Yes, it says Mondo on the face in small letters.
Okay, that helps. Do you remember which lane you used?
The one on the left side. I was behind a family with 2 kids.
All right, please wait here one moment. I'll go check.
Sure, I really hope it's there.
Good news. We found a watch in the tray. Can you tell me one more detail about it?
Yes, there's a tiny scratch on the glass near the number 2.
Perfect. That matches. Here it is. Can you confirm it's yours?
Yes, that's my watch. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's a nice watch. Next time, double-check the tray before you leave.
I will. I was a bit stressed and not paying attention.
It happens to many people. You really saved my day. Thank you again.
No problem at all. Have a safe flight, Emma.
Thanks. I'll hold on to it tightly this time.
Thank you for calling Riverbank Support. This is Olivia speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, Olivia. I saw a message about a $200 charge on my card, but I didn't make it.
I understand, Daniel. Don't worry. We'll check this together. First, can you confirm your full name, please?
Yes, it's Daniel Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. And your date of birth?
It's April 9th, 1994.
Great, thank you. One more question for security. What are the last 4 digits on your card?
The last 4 digits are 4721.
Perfect. I found your account. Now, about the $200 charge. I see a payment for $200 at TechZone Online today.
Yes, that's the problem. I don't know that store. I didn't buy anything there.
Okay, so you do not recognize this purchase at all?
No, not at all. I was at work all day.
Understood. In that case, we'll treat it as a fraudulent charge.
What does that mean? Is my money gone?
We will block your card to stop any more charges. Then we will start a dispute and investigate.
Okay, please block the card.
I've just blocked it now. No one can use this card anymore.
Thank you. Next, we'll send you a new card in the mail within 5 to 7 business days.
All right. What about the $200?
We will review the charge. While we investigate, we can give you a temporary credit on your account.
So I'll get the money back.
Yes, you should see the $200 back in your account soon, unless the investigation shows it was your purchase.
That's good. What do I need to do now?
I'll email you a short form to confirm you didn't make this payment. Please read it and sign it.
Okay, I can do that.
Also, please check your recent transactions and call us if you see any other charges you don't know.
I will. Thank you for taking this seriously.
You're welcome, Daniel. I know this can be stressful, but you did the right thing by calling quickly.
I feel much better now.
I'm glad. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks again, Olivia.
My pleasure. Have a safe day and watch for that email from us. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sparkle Car Wash.
Hi, my car really needs a good wash today.
I can see that. It had a long week.
Yes, a very long week. Lots of rain and dust.
No problem. We have 3 options: basic, standard, and full wash.
What does the basic wash include?
Basic is just outside. Wash and dry.
My car is dirty inside too.
Then the standard wash is better. It includes outside wash and inside vacuum.
And the full wash.
Full wash is everything. Wash, wax, vacuum, and windows inside.
Okay, I'll take the full wash.
Great choice. Do you want any air freshener?
What scents do you have?
We have new car, vanilla, and lemon.
New car, please. I miss that smell.
Good pick. I'll add that. Please leave your keys here and remove anything important from the car.
Okay, I'll take my phone and wallet.
Perfect. The full wash takes about 25 minutes.
That's fine. Where can I wait?
You can sit in our waiting area. There's free coffee and Wi-Fi.
Nice, thank you. The total is $30. You can pay now or after.
I'll pay now with card, please.
All set. We'll call your name when your car is ready.
Thank you, Mia. I'm excited to see it clean again.
You're welcome, Alex. We'll make it shine.